Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. I'm Essy. Thank you for stopping. Remember to subscribe, like, share and leave a very nice comment as we always do. So today I'm going to be doing a bed-sitter house tour. So I'm going to be showing you where I stay when I'm in school. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. So that's it. Okay, and we are moving out, so I want to show you the house before we move out. Yeah, so this is the first thing that you see. So this is the door, and this is my shear for the door. Yeah, it goes paka chini, and then I have my mat over here and my Crocs, and then I have a shoe rack over here. So this is the shoe rack. I have a few pairs of shoes here. Yeah, so, and then here I have my hair, and then I have a flower over here. Yeah, so that's it for here. And then here we have another mat that leads to the bathroom. Yeah, so we have it. And then on top of here I have this thing that nimehang hapa, and it has my necklace. Yeah, so I think that's it for here. And then on this other side I have this other thing that I hang my padlock and my keys. Yeah, so, and then next here kuna my study table that looks like this. This is what I was eating before. So we have my study table and my chair, and then we have the, yeah, vile mnaona tu tissue, and yeah, so I have my speaker over here, and then my table, my seat and my drawers. So from there we go to here. So I have my laundry basket and my iron box over here. So here, and then my curtain. We don't have ile road ya kuweka pale, but yeah, we manage. So that's it over here. And then here I have my clothes. So these are all my clothes over here. And then on top of here, this is where I hang my bags. Yeah, so this is where I hang my bags. So next we'll go to my bed. So let me show you my, so after where I put my clothes, I have my bed over here. So this is my bed, and then on top of here we have, so after the bed we have the mirror, and I'm sure you can see the kitchen from here. Yeah, so that's the mirror. We have a nut over there and all that. We also have this deck over here. Yeah, so next we will go to the kitchen. So these are my utensils. I have, yeah, my utensils over here, my sink. Yeah, and then on top I have my vitu za kupika huku tu juu. Yeah, so that's it. This is how it looks on top, and they don't have so many things. As I've said, I am moving out. Yeah, so that's how it looks over there. And then down here inakaa hivi. So I have my storage, kitu ya kustore maji hapa, and then more plastics ziko hapa. Yeah, so that's it. And then here, let me show you the bathroom as we finish up. So that's some overview of the house. So I'll also show you when it's empty. Yeah, so I'll show you when it's empty. So let me show you the bathroom. So from here, so this is the bathroom. Let's get inside. So this is how it looks. I have my tap over here, and then we have my shower over there, the bulb, and then down here I have things that I use to shower, and also to wash my clothes, and then more things, and then my toilet. Then I've stored some water, so that's it. And then at the window nimeweka hizi vitu za kutumia pia tissue and all that, as you can see. So I think that's it for the bathroom and for the house tour. Yeah, so that's it for the house tour. I hope you have enjoyed. Kindly like this video, share and leave a very nice comment. Yeah, till next time, bye.